guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. We're gonna share this thing. It's gonna be brief. It's gonna be brief. You know, I've been watching the scenario for some time. Even though some people make me vex, I come out, talk, but it wasn't in my tradition to. It wasn't in my initial state of mind to talk to those people, but they forced me to talk. But I never still come out to talk. I just relocate. I still dey put some things in order. When the chicken come to roost, all of them go hear one by one, and the men will be separated from the boys. What prompted this broadcast? Because I dey watch these people that are, maybe some of them are seriously cursed, because I will not see anything. They keep on fooling themselves in a vicious circle all over and over again. They wake up in the morning, nothing to talk about. One person go dey hit another person from another city. Another person. What a shame. What a disaster. What has transpired to you people? Or rather, what has happened? What happened to you? What came over you? We're gonna share this thing. Because me, I don't want to share. I don't want to share. I just come back. I just come back from my day activity. Because it's obvious that most of you are so docile, nothing to contribute to society, nothing of significance, of reputable value to contribute to society. What would they hear in the morning, 5 o'clock, 2 a.m.? A school of thought of inconsequential people in those states, to be precise, Benin, produced to the world. It's a big shame. It's a big shame. If not the shame, people they shame una shame for una. Before they go tell una fought, all of una go run. All the frustrated, dejected souls being under a spell, where their pants they for different native doctor house will come want to talk to people that have never come so low like themselves. They will be out. They talk because Facebook is cheap. Facebook cheap. If not be Facebook, how many of you have talk of Facebook? How many of you are there for even know na papa name? If not for Facebook. But the beauty of this Facebook now come show the world una folly. Then if people come to tell una stupidity, una call the crowds, una be this, una be that, which I will never concur and come so low to come feel that, or that's come to that so low thinking like you people are thinking. Look at what you people are doing on social media today. How many some people you just see in the morning, they wake up 4 a.m. They give Adberagbiye, an elderly woman like Mama Joy would be always there, consistently disgracing the Benin people. Nothing productive to talk. Nothing good to talk. Becky, this is that. This is that. You know they tire. You know they tire Mama Joy. They swear for you. You know they share for yourself. You are a disgrace to Benin. Seriously. At your age, 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, this is my time in Dublin. At 6 o'clock, you don't talk. What you talk? You need to talk of better thing to impact for society. What message are you passing across? Nothing. That my mama burial for 1 year. 1 year. That mama burial. The next thing, name to whatever. Becky, this, that. You know they tire. You don't tell you say you be disgraced to Edo State or to Benin. Won't you know that you are a disgrace? Not taking anything away from all of them put together. Frank Victor is a disgrace. A big one, for that matter. All of them put together should be wrapped in one basket. You all are a big disgrace to the Benin community. 5 o'clock, message to this, message to that. Why not message to your life? Put your life straight. Message to your own life. Your own life. Before you go find person life to message to. Your own life, Frank Victor. Message to your life because you are just so cheap. Opportunists. Hungry people. Facebook is the next rituals. Message to this, message to that, message. Which message will they pass? Which message your message don't create one electricity bulb? Which message do they pass? What message are you passing? Message to a Bagua, message to lady of songs. Opportunists, all dirty messages. Then the commenter could do the instigate wars. We hear one Diamond Jasper, we hear one Toby John, all confused elements. Seriously confused set of people. Very, very confused. So in a nutshell, whatever message in the past, to the best of my understanding, you know hold water. Make una pass message to una self first to make una self be productive. Make we get impact as the black people. Make life dey for Nigeria. Make good roads dey for Nigeria. Make government work for the people. Not message to una stupid life that is dejected. Almost gone. Message. There are people with the corner say una be human being. It's so painful. Every time I look at una, I know they feel answer now. If I hear this, I talk to una small, just look there, how they laugh, say, this not people. We're there for create this kind of people. What a cost of a people upon planet Earth. What a cost upon the planet Earth of this generation of Benis in diaspora, Central Europe, to be precise. Central Europe, they are all costs. They are all costs. They are all costs. I cannot comprehend to that stupid level. Got the message to this, message to that, where all of them, they fool themselves. When this thing go, they hit them back. In the next some years to come, they will ask who do them. But when the refer don't get over their head, they think they are doing great. One come that day, bring a dick by itself, come out. I look at those people bringing it to my DM. I said, don't do it to me. I don't condone such nonsense. Never will I do it. I don't look at people's dick. What do you call Simon to eat your dick? They saw the big Google dick come from my DM. What concerns me? If you know I'm mad, don't know they're mad. History will be there to tell una madness. All of you they mad to the best of my knowledge. All of you put together they mad. Because of Facebook money, person go just can't talk what they do. This one can't give message to Destiny Bagua. You go their advice. You don't want to defend. Now if you do what you go make people, what you go affect people's life. Message to this. You will they advise people. Your life good. Tough now. What they advise people. What you do in your life? What is your life, if I may ask? What have you done spectacularly apart from message, verbally? Do what I say, but not what I do. Never a message. Una life rotten, una life dirty. Message to this. Una one can become sent. Message. It is cheap to give message. Do you live a better life than the person you give message to? What a shame. I say, I can't tell you, say, una be disgrace to society. I not relent to. I only relocate. That's why they look all off now. And they wait for 2024. Electionary year 2024, the men will be separated from the boys, not these shenanigans, not these unschooled elements. When they need be to show your make because see your intellectual prowess, your intellectual capability. Nothing to be shown. Now to go open studio for one corner, put microphone for a year, the full gullible people. You don't have message, make una go sleep. You never get message. as far as the home of equality is concerned, as far as the home of equality and justice is concerned, you people don't have message. You are just a fool put together, disgracing the Benin. That's my submission.